Hey everyone, today we're going to go over starting the registry service for Windows privilege escalation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run this command in PowerShell, and we're going to see if we have NT Authority Interactive has full control permission. Alright, so I'm going to do CMD PowerShell EP bypass, paste. Alright, so let's read the access. We see NT Authority Interactive has full control. So that means we can add a service and start it. So the next step is we come back here and we have this file called Windows Service. Now in this int run is where we add our command. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add user to the administrators group. So I'm going to compile that. Alright, and then I'm going to do sudo python here, and I'm going to do, let's go into temp, exit. I'm going to do cert utlf url cache 10.2.43.23. I'm just guessing. I have to look it up. Oh, okay. And then we do x.exe and then x.exe. Then I'm going to copy this command while we're waiting. Okay, it seems like it's in there. And then I'm going to paste this command. And then I believe it's sc start regsvc. So net local group administrators. We can see that user is not in there, but once we start the service, it's going to execute x.exe. Let's redo that command. We'll see we are now in the administrators.